My first breakup.
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 I was a 17-year-old when I had my first breakup.
I was 20 years old.
17.
I guess I was around 17.
My breakup happened 4 months back.
Yes, we are.
I am not in touch with that guy because it ended on a bad note.
No, I'm not in touch with her. मुझे हर जगह से block कर दिया गया है.
I'm not in touch with that guy because I have to like move on. So I think if I'll be in touch with him, I'll get all those feelings वापस से.
We broke up over a text message. He just wrote down, we can't be together anymore. And it was like, oh my god, suddenly?
The guy was in Colombia, so over a text message, I was the one who broke up with him.
I didn't want to hurt him because I really care for him. What I started doing when I shifted to the new city, I started sending him links of why long distance relationship doesn't work. And he used to ask me, long distance relationship, is it really complicated? And I was like, yeah, I think after reading such articles, I'm thinking that way. Is it wrong? Is it right? धीरे-धीरे hint देते एक दिन मैंने phone पे casually बोल दिया that I think I don't feel the same or maybe it's just not happening.
Everything was good, and he texted me saying that on Facebook Messenger that too, that things are not good. I told him to call me up because Facebook, according to me, is a very insensitive place rather to talk about it. He called me up and I told him that tell me what's the matter. I'm extremely okay with departing, and if it's not working out, it's perfect. His statements were like that. I don't know, like some questions don't have answers, Shivangi. I could have never expected that he would do such a thing. He did not even have the guts to come up to me and confront me, and he simply walked out without any reasoning. So he's a person without a backbone.
My first breakup was very painful, tragic and funny. Like, the guy turned out to be gay. He didn't come and confess it to me, and it would be very weird because, you know, I would be going out and he'd be checking out boys, and I was in love, head over heels over that guy.
There was this guy, basically my best friend. I developed this like very strong feelings for him, but he had a girlfriend. There was a time in the middle when he broke up with his girlfriend. I was like, this is it, Anya, this is us, we'll be together now. But eventually I realized that he was using me as a rebound.
I felt really bad after my breakup. हमारा जो relationship था basically untagged relationship था. मुझे बहुत अजीब लगता था because she dumped me.
Basically, that was the phase when I shifted from school to college, and I was moving to a new city all alone, staying away from my parents. Gradually, I started feeling that my feelings had fizzled out for him. But on the other hand, he was a very close friend of mine. I didn't want to hurt him or end up cheating on him. So I think that was the best decision to take.
Call him up from random numbers and be like, you know, sorry, I called you up, and he would be like, oh, I know it's you. So I thought, I'll be like, oh, I was calling somebody else up. There was this t-shirt जो उसकी छूट गई थी मेरे पास, and after my breakup I would wear it like all the time.
First of all, my playlist changed from Manali Trans to Saudar. वो जो खाती थी मैं वो खाता था. उसके favorite restaurant जाना, उसका favorite shake पीना जो मेरे को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, और उसका favorite song सुनना सारा दिन. और सबसे बड़ी बात है, मैंने सुट्टा पीना शुरू कर दिया था बहुत ज़्यादा.
I did this really funny thing. I used to go to this internship and work. So there was this dog called Waffle, and he was really attached to dogs. So I started seeing his face in that dog's face after our breakup.
I think time is the best thing, and with me it was change of place. I went to a new city. That just distracted me.
I think I owe a lot of credit to my college and my hectic schedule, because managing psychology honors, doing practicals, into dramatic society, then my passion for dance, I think I was too engaged in my life, in my activities, in my schedule, that I didn't really get time to sit and think about him.
Survive मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ, बहुत मुश्किल है मेरे लिए, बट जब मैं उसकी की हुई चीज़ें याद करता हूँ तो अपने ऊपर हंसता हूँ सबसे पहले तो, कि मैं कैसा चूतिया था जो उसके लिए अभी भी इतना ज़्यादा अटैच था, जबकि वो मेरे को बिल्कुल भाव नहीं देती थी.
The term survive is very shallow. I think it is something very, very trivial. You should value yourself so much that a guy cannot change you. Absolutely not. So it was not difficult for me to survive. I gained, I picked myself back, and I was on the run again.
Thank God you left me, because today I'm at a much better place and a much better person.
यार बंदी या बंदा चला जाए तो रोना मत. प्यार एक बहुत बड़ा चुतियाप है. जब किसी को तुम्हारी लाइफ में आना होगा तो वो खुद आएगा. अपनी लाइफ की तरफ फोकस करो. लाइफ में बहुत कुछ है करने को.
Never lose out on hope or faith. सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन इज द बिगेस्ट की टू गेट ओवर एनीथिंग इन लाइफ. अपने आप से एक सवाल पूछो, क्या मैं गलत हूँ? नहीं हो तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मूव अहेड इन लाइफ.
गर्ल्स, जिन लोगों का दिल टूट जाता है रिलेशनशिप के बाद, दुनिया में हॉट लड़कों की कमी नहीं है, और उन लड़कों के लिए दुनिया में हॉट लड़कियों की कमी नहीं है. सो जस्ट मूव ऑन एंड लुक फॉरवर्ड.
Like and share the video, and if you want to share your own experiences, kindly comment below.
Guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to Old Delhi Films. Here's the link, you can subscribe.
Kindly follow us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Subscribe to Old Delhi Films.